Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be my weekend cleaning routine. It changes week by week depending on what needs to be done. I did not do the bathrooms this week because I've been slacking on my bathroom because I don't want to clean it. And I've been trying to hold the kids accountable to cleaning their own bathroom, so I don't do it in this video today. I'm going to let the music play, so hope you enjoy.
We're still here, flipping coins about what's to come. It starts getting cold, and we don't know any way out of here. We try to understand how it all started to go wrong, but the sea is way too deep. Yeah, it's deeper than we could ever go, honey. We have to be together here in the stormy weather. How we could reach the other side, and you start to doubt. I don't blame you, 'cause I feel the same. 'Cause a man can only hold on for so long, and we should be proud. Although we
be shaken but not stirred. Just a lesson that I've learned. And so it goes, tables turn, and you're on your own. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better off. When I look at what I've done, I'm real hard. When I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong. When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better off. When I look at what I've done, I'm real hard. When I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're in a place where you're able to go to other people's houses or allowed to have people over your house, in New Jersey, some restrictions have been lifted a little bit, so we're able to have like barbecues and stuff like that. So I hope everyone enjoys their Memorial Day weekend and could see other people. I know we all miss seeing people. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.